They say charm is all words, but honestly, it's also about how you show up. Clean, confident, and skin that doesn't feel like sandpaper. My grooming ritual is simple, but that's what makes it special. The authentic number 10 shaving cream from Truefitt and Hill. Now this one's infused with glycerin, so you can count on two things. Softer facial hair and a smooth glide for your razor. When a cream is this luxurious, it lathers rich, doesn't dry out too fast, and works with every razor I've used. It cushions the blade so there's no redness, no tugging, no cuts. Just a close shave that feels honestly kind of addictive. And the scent. It's subtle, so it doesn't overwhelm your entire day. Now, at the end of the day, a good shave often brings compliments. So why treat it like an afterthought? Authentic number 10 isn't just a number. It's a reminder that your grooming game deserves a perfect 10 as well. Truefitt and Hill, where tradition meets your morning routine.